Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: daytime running lights, driver illuminated vanity mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, remote trunk release, steel wheels, LED headlights, wheel covers, brake assist, Bluetooth. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.